If you are a trader, trading with support and resistance levels are the most important to make profit or protect your capital. In any market, big players make their buy or sell decisions based on support and resistance indicators. You need to go along with big players to make money. In this video, you will learn what support and resistance level are, how to identify them and how to trade with them. What is support? Support is the price level at which demand is strong enough to stop the price from falling any further. When the price falls and approaches support level, low prices attract buyers. People waiting on the sidelines start to enter the market. Support can be a price level at which buyers are willing to buy. More buyers start to buy and sellers become less inclined to sell at such a low price. So demand is more than supply at support. At this point, prices will stop falling. When demand is more than supply, prices will go up. Support acts as a floor for prices. If the declining price does not continue falling below support level, support gets stronger. Sometimes the price will dip below support levels before bounce back, or the price will rise before reach support. Remember, prices do not always bounce back up at support level. The price might break the support level when the trend starts changing. If support is broken, another support level will have to be at a lower level. Technical analysis is not an exact science and things are not always happen as we expected. I will mention later how to act if the falling price could not be stopped at the support level. What is resistance? At resistance, selling is strong enough to prevent the rising price from going further up and the price starts to fall at that level. Resistance acts as a ceiling for the price. At resistance level, sellers become more inclined to sell and buyers are less willing to buy. Traders start taking profits at the resistance level because prices are too high or have met their target price. Buyers are less willing to initiate new positions at such high price. Keep in mind, the price breakout can happen if the price move past the resistance level. Also, the price can turn downward before resistance level. Resistance does not always hold. A break above one resistance may create another higher resistance level. How to identify support and resistance? There are horizontal and diagonal lines for both support and resistance. Support and resistance levels are identified by past price actions. You need to find a significant point where the falling price or rising price is paused. You must pay attention to past support or resistance levels so you can anticipate a future similar reaction at these levels. Support level line can be drew with the previous lows. Resistance can be created by using the previous highs. Rule of thumb is that more times that the price acts at a support or resistance level, the more significant the level becomes. If prices keep bouncing off a support or resistance level, more traders notice and will make trading decisions based on these levels. You have to go along with the crowd. Support and resistance diagonal lines are usually drew with trend lines. In an uptrend or downtrend, imaginary line draw through the series of low price points act as support after the price kept going back up from these points. The high points act as resistance after price kept coming down at that level. After each bounce off support, the stock traded all the way up to resistance. Usually prices moved within trend channel. If you need to learn about trend lines and channel, please view my other previous video. Usually prices move like an oscillator within trading range. A trading range is simply an area of price contained between parallel support and resistance levels. What is the best time frame chart to find support and resistance? It depends on how your trading style is. If you are a swing trader who hold the stock or crypto over a period of few days to several weeks, should look at least 3-month, 6 months to 3 years period chart. The longer the time period, the better view for support or resistance. However, you should analyze both short-term and long-term chart to get better picture. If you are a day trader, intraday chart with 1 minute to 3 minutes period candlestick will be better. Drawing support and resistance line is objective and it's an imaginary line. It's not exact one number. Nothing is picture perfect. Setting precise line for support or resistance can often be difficult. The price can dip below support levels or reverse before it gets to the expected support level. The price can also fall before expected resistance or break above it. Support and resistance levels are not just lines, these are referred to as zones. Once you can identify an area of support or resistance zone, this area can be used as potential entry or exit points. The market's price actions are always associated with people's psychology. In this example, you will see every time the price came down to support level, which is around $135 price. Then the price bounced back. In May 2021, the price was $135, then it went up. Some people missed out to buy at $135. So they waited price to come down, and when the price got back to $135, they placed buy orders. That's its support level. Every time the price came down around $135, buyers take actions. But keep in mind, the price can break through support line. If you bought it at support level, your risk is low. You have to think of both ways. For your protection, you should put stop-loss limit order if the price fall below the expected support line. You should set stop-loss order 10% to 15% of the price below your buy price so the price does not go your way. You will lose only 10 to 15% of your capital. As you see in May 2022, support is broke and the price went far down. You don't want to fall hard with this. Keep in mind, support can become resistance and resistance can turn into support. When the price penetrates a support level, the broken support level can turn into resistance. A company's financial status or poor forecast of earning may discourage buyers and panic investors are selling. Bears are still stronger than bulls even at such a low price. So prices will keep falling and support can't stop it. In this example, you can see that support can turn into resistance. Before September 2022, there was a strong support zone at around $105. In middle of September, the price came down to $105, so a lot of bullish buyers bought it at expected support level $105, but at that time support could not hold the price and the price kept falling. When the price fell below $105 and some traders are still holding it. They waited hoping price will back up again. When price rebounded to $105 level, they start selling to get their money back. So $105 zone become resistance. Resistance can become support. The price can break above resistance. As the price breaks and advances above resistance, resistance can turn into support. In this example of XYZ stock, the stock broke resistance at $47 and traded just above this resistance level. When the stock price came back down, $47 area became support. When the stock reached at $47, it bounced back. You need to pay attention candlestick patterns when the price approaches near support or resistance level. If bullish or bearish candlestick patterns appear near support or resistance level, you may prepare to enter or exit the market. When spinning top or any doji appears after long uptrend or downtrend, trend reversal might be ahead. Some powerful bullish candlestick patterns are hammer, inverted hammer, bullish engulfing pattern, three white soldiers and dragonfly doji. Some bearish candlesticks are hanging man, shooting star, bearish engulfing pattern, three black crows, dark cloud cover and gravestone doji. After support or resistance zone is identified, you are planning to place a buy order, should place an order after few consecutive confirmed candles at little above support. And place stop limit order 10% under support to protect your capital. For sell limit price, place stop limit just little under resistance level. Please subscribe my channel for future videos.